Hey everyone, welcome to World Heritage Journey. Today we're at the Tomioka Silk Mill in central Japan. So this is one of the icons of Japan's industrial revolution at the end of the 19th century, a massive silk mill that at one point was among the largest and most productive in the entire world. It's still in great condition and I've always enjoyed industrial sites, so let's have a look around. Tomioka Silk Mill opened in 1872 as one of the world's largest and most modern silk processing factories. Built by Japanese workers using imported French technology, it was considered to be a major step in Japan's modernization, and it operated continuously right through until its closure in 1987. The plant was designed from the ground up to house every step of raw silk production. So there's two enormous cocoon warehouses running parallel to each other, where silkworms were bred, housed, and nurtured. Connecting these two warehouses, giving the plant a U shape, is the huge silk reeling plant, where large machines unwound the silkworm cocoons, turning them into raw silk, firstly in a manual process and later on by machines. Although all of the buildings on site are unusual for their timber frame with bricks construction, which at the time was very European, the silk reeling plant building was particularly notable as it's the first building in Japan with a truss roof. Typically, Japanese buildings had internal pillars holding up the roof, but this style of construction wouldn't allow the large silk reeling machines to fit. Inside the U-shaped area is the power plant, featuring a large iron water tank and of course a big steam engine imported from France, though the current version's a replica, of course. Outside the U-shaped plant area are groups of factory-related buildings, including Western-style houses for the French plant managers, dormitories for the female workers, an infirmary, and recreation buildings too. It's a fascinating site, and it's one that we really enjoyed visiting. It's a great place to come and see a pivotal point in Japanese history. Sites like this were a key engine behind the Meiji Industrial Revolution, and European demand for silk made Japan very rich. But its hunger for raw materials and resources was a key driver behind Japan's expansionism of the early and mid-20th century, ultimately leading to World War II, which is a fascinating thought to consider.